Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your GMC Yukon key fob. First, ensure all vehicle doors are closed completely. Next, insert your ignition key into the ignition cylinder. Then, locate and press the power unlock button on the driver's door panel, holding it down continuously throughout the next steps. While still holding the unlock button, turn the ignition switch to the on position, then immediately to OFF, and repeat this on-OFF cycle one more time, doing it fairly quickly. Now, release the power unlock button. You will hear the vehicle's door lock cycle, indicating it has entered programming mode. Take the key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote. Continue holding these buttons until the vehicle's door locks cycle again. This confirms the key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat this exact step for each one, including any existing fobs. Once all your key fobs are programmed, turn the ignition switch to the on position to exit programming mode. Remove the key and test each remote to ensure they all function correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, find the link in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.